I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. The key is not to get back what was lost. That mind test destroys more accounts than bad signals. I trade only when the mind is clear, not chasing revenge. Markets don't care about my emotions or frustrations. They reward on the structure and control. Let's open long trades here again. We will open them in the direction of the trend again. We will rely on a rebound from the midline along our Bollinger Bands channel. And let's highlight the working area. Overall, we see an upward trend here. Opening with the trend is simply a matter of timing. After a pullback, it's always better to look for long trades here. I built this community, so you don't have to waste money on fake mentors. Inside my Telegram group you will train for free, analyze real market situations, learn profitable setups, and receive signals with 70% accuracy daily. Start now and master trading through real practice, not empty promises. Especially since our local high has updated, or rather our local low has updated, the local high should also update, and accordingly our movement should move upward and update again. We will open a trade here again in the direction of the trend, based on this consideration. We have the last few seconds left until the trade is completed. And the deals close profitably without any problems. At the beginning I entered randomly, no logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos, because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way, and that's what defines a real trader. Here we will open a trade for an upward movement. We've immediately found a good entry point. Let's highlight the working area to explain this trade. Overall we can see an upward trend. We will draw the trend line and we can notice a solid point of contact. In theory, from this area the price should reverse and move upward. We also see that the pullback is coming to an end, and since the CCI indicator is exiting the oversold zone, we open our trade in the direction of the trend, upward. We have 20 seconds left before the trade closes, so you can already see the result. There is nothing complicated here. In this setup we work not from the alligator, but from the fractal and our CCI oscillator. The first trade closes in profit. But perfection can become obsession. There is no such thing as a perfect entry. Once I realized that my stress disappeared. Better a clean average trade than a missed ideal. Execution beats perfection. Join my Sawyer community where I teach for free. Real strategy lesson and practice, free daily signals, step-by-step trading guide. Your results start the moment you take the first step. Tap below and enter the group.